Ancient Egypt is the second oldest country in the world.
Ancient Egypt was a civilization which was located in the northeast of Africa.
It is impressive with the architecture, including for its monuments, tombs, and pyramids.
And especially the River Nile. Ancient Egyptians developed a writing system called the hieroglyphics,
which allowed them to record history. The River Nile, which flows through Egypt, was an important factor to develop this civilization.
It helped transportation and trading.
In this video, we will tell you about ancient Egypt, especially the River Nile.
Watch us to learn more about this great civilization.
I am Sam.
And I am Ram.
Hi guys, today we're gonna tell you about ancient Egypt was a civilization that existed in the northeastern part of Africa.
It is well known for its architecture, tombs, pyramids, and especially the River Nile.
Ancient Egypt is remembered as one of the greatest human civilizations in history.
Today we're gonna talk about Egypt, the pyramids, and especially the River Nile.
I am Sam.
And I am Ram. We are in year 3 and we were learning about ancient Egypt and it was so interesting.
Today we will tell you about ancient Egypt,
especially the River Nile. Ancient Egypt is a civilization who fascinated people for centuries.
From the pyramids to the mummies, ancient Egypt had left behind a wealthy knowledge and history.
One of the most fascinating aspects was the hieroglyphics writing system.
This writing system used symbols to write and use ideas.
Hieroglyphics used to be inspected on walls and monuments and used to say stories and ideas and information.
Who ruled the ancient Egyptians?
The pharaoh. They were responsible of keeping the stability of the empire.
They did massive construction such as the pyramids.
Another aspect is the practice of the mummification.
Ancient Egyptians believed in the afterlife. The mummification preserved the body to go to the second life.
The process of the mummification, you remove all the organs from the body, you wrap the body with linen.
Temples were also important to the ancient Egyptian society. These massive structures were built to honor the gods
and often were decorated with paintings and carvings.
Today we can still see the pyramids, temples, and tombs.
All the monuments remind us of how important this civilization was.
Now we will tell you the importance of the River Nile in Egypt.
The River Nile is one of the most natural resources in the world.
It is the longest river in the world, stretching over 4,000 miles.
From the eastern Africa to the Mediterranean Sea. For thousands of years, the River Nile played a crucial role in the lives of people who live around it.
And supports a rich ecosystem of animals and plants.
And the River Nile is also a lifeblood for the agriculture in the region.
The annual flooding of the river gives nutrients to the surrounding banks, so it creates a fertile soil.
Farmers used to use this fertilized soil to grow crops for long ago.
The River Nile has played an important role for the ancient Egyptian civilization.
Example, the ancient Egyptians used to build their civilization along the River Nile.
They used it for training, transportation, and irrigation.
It's still used for transportation till today.
They are using it to transport goods and people.
Boats from all sizes are sailing across the River Nile.
The sailing boat carries everything from crops to tourists.
However, this river is facing many challenges today.
One of the biggest challenges is the construction of dams around it,
which can disrupt the natural flow of this river and affect the ecosystem.
Pollution is also another major challenge that the river is facing. The factory contributes damaging the River Nile.
Despite these challenges, the Nile remained as an important part of the culture and the economy.
It is a symbol of life and inspiration of Egyptians.
The Nile River may be just a body of water,
but its impact on the people and world cannot be counted.
It reminds us of the power and how much the nature is important for us.
So there are key reasons for why the River Nile is so important.
First, it is a water supply. It is the primary source of water in Egypt.
Second, agriculture. The river supports the production of crops like wheat, rice, sugarcane.
Third, still used till now for transportation.
Fourth, biodiversity. The surroundings has plants, animals and different kinds of species, such as the Nile crocodile and the Egyptian vulture.
Overall, the River Nile is an important source for the people, the environment and the economy for Egypt.
A very important tips about the pharaohs.
Do you know why they used to use eyeliner and kahal?
Actually, the dark eyeliner used to help and protect the sun from coming into the eye.
They believe that this can prevent eye infection, so it had medicinal properties.
On the other part, there is a symbolic use of eyeliner. It is associated with the god Horus,
who had black-rimmed eyes.
It was also a symbol of beauty and wealth.
It was used for both man and woman.